Hi everyone, we are making this video how to use our next-gen AR learning app. Download app and images from URL which we have provided. Once downloading and installation is completed, take the printout of those images or open the images in the system or in mobile. After that, you look at the image through your install app. Now you are able to see the magical video is playing which is related to verizon product. How to install a service or set up a product. Let's see the action now. I'm going to download an app from the URL which I have provided. This is the URL I have published in this URL. So it's loading now. Once it loaded, you're able to see that VZ Technovation AR app. Now I'm going to download. Its download option is pop up. I'm going to download now. It's downloading. You're able to see it's downloading now. Once downloaded, it the icon is appear on your mobile home page. You're able to see now our app icon on home page. Now I'm going to run that app. Now I'm opening the app now. This app is opening. Now app is opening. Now I'm showing look at the image through our app. It's playing a video. And this is the one. It is able to identify the object or image its own and it play related video. Now you are looking at that how to set up a jetpack. Now I am going to change the image and I am going to show it in system now. This is another thing.
This video will show you how to assemble and initialize your one-top desk phone. Remove the phone unit from the box, along with the stand and handset. Insert the stand into the horizontal slot and slide to lock in place. The handset cord snaps into the port with the phone icon.
Yeah, now I'm going to change the image and it automatically identify the object and it's play related video.
Once you've plugged in power.
This is a verizon Fire's remote, cable box.
Alright, to program this remote, the cable remote, it says in the back, hold down OK and minus button, these two, and you'll blink. And then you hit play until the TV turns off. Go ahead and play. Every time you hit play, it'll search for a new code. Alright, and then hit OK to save that code. Alright, now let's try it. Hit TV power, see if it turns on. Yeah, it does. Alright, another thing is to change the video source. You turn on the TV, you hit power up here, to change it from DVD to cable box. You hit this button right here, the TV input button. And every time you hit that, now you hit it twice, it'll take you to VCR. Every time you hit it, it'll cycle you. Alright? Now on here, sometimes if that screen doesn't turn on, just hit volume up, and that screen will go away. Hit menu. When you hit menu, it'll bring you to the settings for your 3D settings on your cable box. Hit menu on here, and then go click to the settings, click to the right, and then go down to 3D. Click my TV and click capable. Hit OK. And then you go, now go to TV. And no, I'm sorry, go to video settings, click to the right.
Now I'm going to play that video against this is a 5 hours setting. It's playing now.
Today I'm going to be showing you my Verizon wireless installation, show you what goes into it, and what you need to know to plan on getting it yourself. What you're looking at right now is the ONT. This is the optical network terminal. It's the heart of the system. Let's look inside here. You have status lights, TV cable, phone lines, internet data cable, power cord down here, goes to the outlet. It's a brand new outlet, dedicated circuit. Right over the panel, put it in myself, day before the install. Hello, today I'm going to be showing you my Verizon wireless installation, show you what goes into it, and what you need to know to plan on getting it yourself.